I'm going to show you how I keep all my airbrushes running smoothly. Hey guys, Jay here. Welcome to Eons of Battle. I love airbrushing. It's a really fun new way to experience painting, and it unlocks a whole bunch of awesome effects. But it also needs a lot of maintenance. First, let's do a deep clean. Now the brush will need this every now and again, and if you let your brush get as messy as I do, it can be a process. I have a bad habit of letting my paint cup get dirty. It doesn't impede the performance at all of the brush, so I just let it get dirty, but eventually enough is enough. To clean the cup and body of the airbrush, I take a paper towel soaked in rubbing alcohol and give it a little scrub. This will loosen up the paint and get rid of most of the crud. To get rid of the rest of the paint, I flush it out with a squirt bottle. Don't try and spray it out the airbrush. Then I pull the brush apart. I clean the needle with rubbing alcohol too. Then I use an airbrush nozzle cleaner tool to clean out the nozzle. Don't press too hard, it can trumpet the brass if you push too hard. Now I take another airbrush cleaning tool and run it through the inside of the airbrush to lift off any remaining paint, and the brush should be spotless. This is what I do for a deep clean. In between colors, it's a little more straightforward. First, if I have any leftover paint, I try and save it by pouring it back into the bottle. Then I flush out the remaining paint with a squirt bottle until only water comes out. Then I spray out the remaining color through the airbrush until again, only water comes out. Then it is ready to rock and roll. Now, if your airbrush clogs and stops spraying, it's up to you to know your airbrush and if it needs to be disassembled, or if you can just finagle the clog out. But if you're in any doubt, just completely clean out the airbrush and try again. That is how I take care of my airbrushes. I like to work fast and switch from color to color to color constantly. I've been doing this for years and it used to be a whole process, but now it's just like breathing. We make tutorials like this every single week, and if you like them, you might consider supporting us over on Patreon. Over there, you'll gain access to some behind the scenes, hobby hangout live streams every week, and more exclusive content. That's all for this video. Don't be afraid of the airbrush, show it who's boss. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching.